So, tonight we watched Lady Bird, which I've seen before. I think I mentioned it after I watched it. But it's on Amazon Prime, so Julia and I watched it. And was just reminded again of how the mom in the movie is so much like my mother. And one of the reasons that I could never watch this movie with my mother is because that character is so similar to her, and it would be not a good idea. But also, a sex scene and swearing and drugs and all those other things. But it just continues to be such a beautiful example of growing up and not thinking the same way from the beginning of a year in high school to the end, and how you change your beliefs or your views on things or your stance on an issue based on actual experiences, because that's a lot of what Lady Bird is about. And when it comes down to it, the Lady Bird universe has plenty of room for lots of little strains of story to weave their way in. And I think that's my favorite part. Just how much possibility there is for more story to be told there.